Hey y'all, Secret to Life Ace. I'm back in building. What's up? What's goody? How are you? Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn my TWA into this twist hairstyle. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I created this quick, easy hairstyle. So this is my TWA. These are the products that you're going to need. You're going to need a leave-in conditioner, your shine and jam, and you're going to need elastic bands and a comb. First thing I did was comb out my hair with my leave-in conditioner. This is going to help stretch my hair. After stretching my hair, I'm going to part my hair into sections. Now when it comes to the parting, the back would probably be the most annoying part. Get assistance or line yourself up with some mirrors so that way you can get your parts as straight as possible. Then with the shine and jam, you want to hold your hair in place, and then you want to tie it up with a rubber band. Once I've banded my hair, I'm going to take a little piece of braiding hair and I'm going to pull that through my rubber bands. You want to make sure you use a small section of hair. Depending on how big you want the twist to be, you can add some more hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull it through the hair, and then it's going to leave it into a two section. Then I'm grabbing my hair and I'm just twisting it all the way down. Having the leave-in hairspray is going to be really essential because your hair is going to get dry. You do not want your hair to become dry during the process. If you're finding you're putting too much hair in one spot, try sectioning the hair. So take one piece of the hair first and then another piece and crochet that piece in. So that way you have a thicker hair and it's a lot easier. And then I'm just going to twist all the way down. Now when it comes to the end of the hair, all I'm doing is twisting all the way down and just kind of roping it with my fingers. Because I was having a little trouble with the elastic band showing, what I'm doing now is taking a strand of hair and I'm wrapping that around the root of the hair. This is just going to help me hide the rubber band a little bit. Then I'm going to proceed to twist down as normal. After I'm all set, I'm just cutting my edges and I'm dipping them in hot water. This is going to kind of help seal the end of the hair. Then, gel down my baby hairs, and then voila, this is the look. And this took about roughly 4 hours, and it is pretty simple if you're looking for something quick, fun, and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification so you can be notified when I have more videos like this. Thanks guys. Bye.